Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete games or apps on your PS5. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your PS5 is running out of storage and you want to go ahead and delete some games that you're not really playing anymore. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first things first, let's navigate to where it says settings, then scroll down to where it says storage. Then from here, you want to click on console storage, then click on games and apps. Now by default, PS5 already sorts games and apps by your least used. So let's go ahead and click on this game called Ikai. And then right over there on the bottom right hand corner, this is where you want to go ahead and click on delete. So once you delete this app right over here or this game, you're going to free up about 3.98 gigabytes worth of space. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete games or apps on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.